I would like to know how many of you are aware of Shiprocket. Almost 30-40%. So I think there is a lot opportunity for others to know about Shiprocket. Great. So we all are here to understand about export, about starting export, about easing the export opportunities, right? So when it comes to export, there are three important pillars which comes into the play. What are those pillars? There is three pillars. First and foremost is your marketplace or your website where you want where you will sell your products, you will export your products, right? Once you sell your product, what will happen? You have to get payment as well, correct? So for payment, there are another pillar which is payment gateway, which is again equally important. Once you have done your transaction, you have sold your product, you have got the payment. What is the next? I think next pillar is of course logistics. And the most important thing in logistics is you have sold the product, you have got the money. Maybe
The Office of the Additional Director General of Foreign Trade at Hyderabad conducted a e-commerce export summit catering to the needs of the budding entrepreneurs from Hyderabad. Basically, it was about nudging the entrepreneurs in Hyderabad, in and around Hyderabad, who are basically the artisans and other traders who can sell their products, like for example Ayush products, garments, toys, etc., and they can utilize the facilities of the e-commerce portals. Thereby they can increase their market turnover and export potential can be realized. To that effect, DGFT had organized this particular interactive session, bringing in the stakeholders from across the spectrum of the international trade, basically the India Post, Amazon, Shiprocket, and DHL. And the stakeholders have shared their processes as to how the onboarding of the entrepreneur takes place onto the e-commerce platform, and they'll be able to carry forward their export business. So it's been a very overwhelming experience with more than 180 people participating in this particular program, and it's been quite fruitful. That's what I'd like to mention about this. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
My name is Pooram. I am from Conio Exim Private Limited. I am the marketing head at Conio Exim Private Limited. We are a B2B e-commerce platform. We enable the Indian sellers to quote door delivery price in the international market. We are here to inbuild a community of MSMEs where we can where we can onboard more MSMEs with us, and this platform helped us a lot. So this was organized by DGFT. We had an amazing experience where we met more of the exporters and we explain our products, like how we can help them to take them to the international market. We provide logistics, we provide compliance support and the payment support also. So we enable to take the MSMEs to reach to the international market. That's it. Conio Exim Private Limited. It was established in April 2019, and it is a technology platform. We are enabling the sellers. It is a global product where you can deploy your products and it will be visible to the buyers around the globe. We enable to quote them FOB, CIF, and DDP.